Hello friends, today our topic is noun. In this topic we will learn about what is noun, types of noun according to traditional and modern grammar, and also in this chapter we will learn about what are the work of noun. So first of all we will try to know what is noun. Noun. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. It gives name of a person, animal, place, thing, feeling, or idea. So we can say that it is a naming word. Assume a ram. A ram is a name of a person. Ram is a name of a person. So here ram is what? Noun. And when we say that Patna is also a naming word that gives the name of what? A place. So Patna is also a naming word. It is also called as noun. So like Patna and Ram, there are many examples of noun such as bench, table, pen, book, Mumbai, bus, car, boy, girl, etc. etc. Now we will try to understand with one more example. Here Rajesh is a farmer. The sentence Rajesh is a farmer contains Rajesh and farmer word that shows noun. Here Rajesh shows name of a person and farmer shows name of a occupation. So both shows what name. So Rajesh and farmer is also a noun. Now we will study about the work of noun. Here, the point one says that to make sense of such names which are only one in the world, such as Ram, Sita, Earth, Moon, Sun, Ganga, etc. This point states that it makes sense of such names that is only one in the world, not two, only one. It specifies that name that is only one in the world. It is one of the function of noun. Now the next point says that to give such names which give a sense of their caste. The point 2 says that to give such names which gives a sense of their caste. It means that it represents a set of something. When we say that Ram, Rahul, Ritesh, Rocky, these are the name of people, only one person. But when we collect and make it a set, then what we say? We say the boys. So here the boys word shows what? A set of something, their caste. So point 2 shows that it is a function of noun to show caste of something, somebody. For example, we can take cow, animal, bird, mango, brother, sister, etc. 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 The point 3 specifies name that makes sense of their group. Means the noun makes sense of their groups, anything's group, such as class, army, family, group, etc. The point 4 states that the names of metal or substance that can be measured or weighted. It means that noun gives the name of something that can be measured or weighted, such as gold, silver, diamond, oil, water, etc. Here, the point 5 shows that to describe such name that express qualities and defects such as friendship, sweetness, enmity, old, kindness, etc. It means that any qualities and defects shown by a word is also known as what? Noun. Hey friends, in this video this month, here we have discussed about noun, what is noun, its work. Now we will discuss its type in our next lecture, next video of noun part 2. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and also share the video with your friends. Thanks.